So hey, what's up guys? This is Preetham from the Pickup Dude. अभी we have already shown you कि ये जो सिंगल लड़कियां रहती हैं उनको तो हम अप्रोच कर लेते हैं, बट ये साला ग्रुप गेम कैसे करते हैं, ग्रुप में कैसे जाके बात करते हैं. सो रादर देन मी शोइंग यू, आई हैव अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ माइन जिसने ये कर दिखाया. ठीक है, बिकॉज ग्रुप में क्या रहता है, वी फील द डिफिकल्टी गोज अप बिकॉज एक वेरिएबल नहीं रहता वहां पे 2-3 वेरिएबल रहता है. So this guy is able to open up a group of 2 set and 3 set. So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin the group set.
3 seconds
Is it
time
on?
limit. What the fuck, man?
There I
What
am.
the fucking fuck?
Did I move it?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Cool.
हाँ, हाथ में ट्राइपॉड लेके.
Ah, fuck.
So वहाँ पे 3
Hey,
बंदियां
excuse
बैठी थी actually.
Do you have water or something by any chance?
Okay. So थोड़ा आगे जाके he should have said, but again, the opener is opener. तो उसने, the good thing was he grabbed the girl's attention कि उसने हाथ wave किया. Do you have some water?
Thank you. You came for picnic? Okay. What is
Again,
it?
he's-
Girls outing or something? Okay.
तो देखो, so he's just throwing some stuff out कि okay, did you girls came here for picnic? ऐसे ही नहीं लगना चाहिए कि पानी पी के चला गया, right? He is throwing some stuff and he's like, okay, this is a chill guy, this is a fun guy.
I asked her like, okay.
You just came and उसने bottles दिया.
No, I saw from her like, and then like I asked her water. Yeah.
See, the set is already looking lively, okay? Because the way he approached and उसने 2-4 चीजें आगे से भी की, right? So the girls are like, okay, who is this guy? I'm curious, like, ये तो इसको जानती है, like, how do you know? Why did you just give the bottle? So that thing is going on, yeah.
Well, he just came. She had water. That was too casual.
That's at a club or something?
Sorry?
No, what is that?
Bigger.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like part of your
Yeah, it's like just a thing.
Okay, so he had this thing on his एक badge था उसके t-shirt पे. So the girl is asking again. Hell, all he had to do was just ask for water bottle. आगे से बंदियां पूछ रही तुम कौन हो, ये क्या है, you know, those kind of things are happening.
Is it nice?
तो दूसरी वाली बंदी पूछ रही कि what is your dream? एक बंदी का खत्म भी नहीं हुआ, दूसरी बंदी पूछ रही कि तुम्हारा ड्रीम क्या है. Again, out of the blue.
It's big. Obviously, like typical. I want to like what could just guess what would have been there.
You want to be
No, it's
rich.
boring.
You don't want software engineer.
Sorry,
To be a software engineer.
I'm already a software engineer. By the way.
That's no one's dream.
Oh, what's that? Like you.
This girl is like, okay, you are already a software engineer and that's no one's dream. So this girl opened something, वो जो बैठी है first वाली, she's asking something, ये बोल रही है. So my guy is like, भाई किन को like reply मारूं मैं?
You guys are what you into what?
So all
Like
three of
what?
them are like, you know, working in the same
Nice,
company,
dude.
that
Like,
kind of thing.
awesome meeting you. Like even
The fun part was even जो भी वो काम कर रहे थे, even this guy was like, even I'm that guy. ठीक है? So they had a connection यहाँ पे.
You have a textile, visual designers, did engineering.
yeah, I did engineering. It's like it's very weird. Like
I'm doing. See, साइंस देखो, बंदी आगे से पूछ रही है, यार बैठो, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है भाई, बताओ हमको. See, where are you from? This is the most important thing about a group set. कि एक बंदे क्या करता है, whenever they approach a group set, they only keep talking to one girl. तो कभी भी क्या करना है, हर जितने भी members है ग्रुप के, सबको you need to go and talk. तो क्योंकि क्या होने लग जाता है, because if अब तुम एक लड़की से बात कर रहे हो एंड वो दो अगर awkward फील करना शुरू कर देती है, those two girls जो भी है ना, उनका like they're feeling uncomfortable, so this girl will feel uncomfortable कि यार मेरे दोस्त uncomfortable feel कर रहे हैं, so I need to get this guy out of the set. वैसा कुछ होने लग जाता है. ठीक है? So always जितने भी लोग हैं सबको socialize करो ग्रुप में.
I'm from here, but I wanted to guess where I'm from. Like place.
Definitely South India.
Come on, close. Okay, fair enough. Okay, like South is big, right? Like what is South?
Your accent is giving Kerala.
तो यहाँ पे वो बैठा उनके साथ एंड दिस इज द फुटेज जो मैंने खींचा था. दे आर जस्ट सिटिंग हैविंग फन. फिर मोर और लेस ही सैट अराउंड लाइक गुड हाफ एन आवर विद दोस गर्ल्स. ठीक है, आधा घंटा वो बैठे. देन दे वर डूइंग सम एक्टिविटी. वो क्ले ला के व्हेन ही इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग एंड दे आर टीचिंग हिम कि यार ये क्ले वगैरह कैसे करते हैं. सो ही हैड फन थिंग. सो चलो अभी और एक ग्रुप सेट को हम लोग देखते हैं.
Excuse me. Do you have water by any chance?
Again same opener. Hey, excuse me, do you have some water? यहाँ पे you can do indirect, you can direct. थोड़ा सा ये हो जाता है वो like you know. So indirect, keep it chill, see how they are responding. उस हिसाब से आगे proceed करो.
You have water by any chance? Yeah, obviously. You're from. Cool. Is it like a picnic place or something? I'm just new here, so
Now he is just like making observations कि यार you know ये picnic की जगह है क्या, मैं यहाँ पे नया हूँ, you know those kind of things.
where are you from?
Now the conversation continues कि तुम कहाँ से हो.
Yeah, you give the vibes. Yeah, I can see that. But yeah, like she looks like South.
South Indian.
Yeah, Karnataka. You said. No, you're not.
I am proud to be a South Indian.
Proud South Indian. Okay,
South
interesting.
Indian. Now see, he just ask कि तुम पहली वाली लड़की से तुम कहाँ से हो, तुम कहाँ से हो, and you know the conversation is going. अब ये आगे से भी पूछ रही है कि तुम कहाँ से हो.
Can
So that's a
you
good
guys
sign.
guess? I guess do you? I get this a lot.
And I feel somewhere from South.
Obviously, South. Yeah, that is written in my face. I guess. Yeah. Dude, spot on.
Yeah, this girl, see, touch barrier इसने तोड़ दिया. ठीक है, उसने यही बोला कि तुम कहाँ से हो, and she guessed something. So you're like, dude, spot on, like ये fist bump. So he is like already part of the group now. ठीक है, because the touch barrier टूट चुका है.
How
Now
come?
he can-
Oh, you're the first person
Yeah, now he can just go and sit अभी जाके.
that way. See, I get this thing a lot. People used to tell like I'm from Kerala. Everyone is
अभी इसने पूछा नहीं can I sit here guys. He just assumed कि you know हम लोग एक ही साथ हैं. I'll just sit. It's perfectly normal for me to sit.
like. Then I started like, okay, I'm happy. This thing.
Just still having his water आराम से.
What? Can you share that? Like,
अभी देखो, most of the guys in this situation would be like हाँ इतना बोल नहीं. He's like वो क्या दिख रहा है, अच्छा कुछ दिख रहा है, मेरे को भी दे थोड़ा. Again, ये कब आता है when you already assume कि you're part of the group. तुम ऐसा नहीं है कि ये strangers है, I need to go and interview them. यहाँ पे conversation हो रही है, interview नहीं हो रहा, ठीक है? And the way you ask your friend, यार मेरे को भी खिला थोड़ा. So he's just like, what is that? It looks good. Can
is
I
it
have some?
spicy? Bombay, dude. You're from Bombay,
I
like,
do love spicy.
yeah.
I have the chutney if you want it. That's spicy for you.
Yeah, see, आगे से बंदी भी बोल रही है थोड़ा चटनी के साथ खा लो, अच्छा लगेगा तुम्हें भी.
You would?
Yeah,
Yeah, but it's spicy. Just
spicy. I'm a spicy person.
I'm a spicy person.
you're alone.
I'm actually waiting for my friend. He's just gonna take some time. Oh, this is good. Chicken momos. Veg.
now देखो अगेन ये पिकअप में क्या रहता है, लाइक आई सेड मोस्ट ऑफ द गाइज हैव ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड थिंग्स कि यार ऐसे ऐसे तुमको यू नीड टू लाइक यू नो सी सम लाइंस. यहाँ पे कोई लाइन नहीं है, जस्ट प्लेन कॉन्वर्सेशन हुए जा रही है. एंड गेस व्हाट, दिस वर्क्स. ऑल ही वेंट बॉटल के लिए पूछा, देन ही हैड, देन कहाँ से हो, दोस्त काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स हैपेंड. वो अच्छा दिख रहा है, मैं भी खा लो थोड़ा. ही सैट डाउन एंड इवन दे आर आस्किंग हिम आगे से कि हाँ चटनी के साथ खा लो, ये खा लो, तो तुम व्हाट आर यू डूइंग हियर, यू नो लॉजिस्टिक्स कि तुम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो. इवन ही इज लाइक अच्छा मैं एक मेरे दोस्त के लिए इंतजार कर रहा हूँ.
What do you guys do, by the way?
My family business. So
Family business.
I was working here
Hmm.
almost like 6-7 years. So
You're an influencer or something?
सम कोल्ड रीड, ठीक है, बिकॉज ये आगे वाली जो बंदी है ना वाइट वाली, शी इज गिविंग लॉट्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव वाइब्स टू दिस गाय. तो उसने थोड़ा हवा में तीर मार दिया कि तो वो फूड वाली इन्फ्लुएंसर रहेगा थोड़ा सा.
Awesome.
you know?
I work with an agency.
food, so I can suggest you food.
Yeah, I do get that. You.
There are good temples also if you like to explore temples.
तो उसने पूछा कि यार आई एम न्यू टू दिस प्लेस, कुछ सजेस्ट करो। आगे से वो दे आर टॉकिंग अ लॉट, यू नो।
There are like, there's one ISKCON temple. I've been there, it's beautiful, so you can go there. Then Kabam Pakku Church Street, have you been MB Road? It's like the next station.
I think I'm gonna explore that with my friend
That's a good
actually.
place, like it has good vibes.
देखो वो कितना बात करिए आगे से।
Yeah, thank you. Some clubs. Is there anything else? Like nothing else.
They're good breweries.
देखो they are just suggesting him some places and imagine guys if you can just walk up to this two people they are sitting, तुम जाके उनके साथ पिकनिक मना रहे हो, कितना मजा आएगा, right? So just can you just imagine yourself being in this position?
Like more than in India. Where are you staying though? Like,
तो देखो आगे से वो पूछ रहे कि यार तुम कहाँ पे रहते हो, you know?
Yeah, I mean actually like. Yeah.
a good place for good breweries and cafes.
Mhm.
There are pubs also. Like even I'm here since a week only, so I don't know.
Oh,
much,
is it?
but
Okay.
yeah, so jitna I have been and this
You guys are friends or like
is my cousin.
cousin? Okay.
He's my so my
तो शी लिटरली आगे वाली जो बंदी है उसने एक रिलेशन बताया कि इसके पापा का ये, इसकी मेरी मम्मी का ये, तो वो ऐसे रिलेशन बना रही है। तो बेसिकली लाइक शी इज शेयरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन। तो ये रिपोर्ट वाला फेज है ना, हमारे बंदे ने लाइक हैज ऑलरेडी डिड अ वेरी फकिंग गुड जॉब। सो द वे ही यू नो पानी पूछा, देन वो खाने बैठ गए, देन दे आर जस्ट then the girl just opened up now. ये सब किसी लाइन की वजह से नहीं हुआ, ये वाइब की वजह से हुआ उसके, right? So he's very warm personality. He's just asking around. He's like smiling. He innocent. So that's where that vibe is coming, and she's just opening up with this guy.
Okay. I see. Hmm. Interesting.
यहाँ पे dogs आता है, ठीक है? So they're just looking at the dog.
Okay.
So देखो एक चीज, so whenever you're with a group of people, ऐसा नहीं कि the spotlight is always on you. तो वो दोनों भी बीच बीच में बातें करेंगे साथ में। बीच बीच में जाके तुम भी चपड़ चपड़ मत करना, चपड़ चपड़ मत करना, उनको थोड़ा स्पेस दो, because you are there as the third person. They were already sitting there, right? उनको भी because I've seen this, whenever this awkward silence या फिर pause आने लग जाता है, be comfortable with it, because तुम जितना बात करने लगे that shows insecurity. You're not comfortable with silence. Let them talk. Let them have their time. ठीक है? Then you can just again reopen the set.
I want to go to the
You guys into dogs and stuff? I mean, like, yeah, I can see like she is not taking her eyes away from the dog.
dogs also love her. But the thing with me, I love dogs, but they kind of start barking at me. So
Barking behind.
yeah, it's weird. I don't know why.
Oh.
So I have a dog who's not scared of it. Yeah, she also has a dog. She was Johnny Shepherd.
What's her name?
Now वो अपने कुत्ते के बारे में बता रही है. She is like, even I have a dog. You know, उसका नाम ये है, वो है. So see, the set is opening up.
It's a boy. Okay. Awesome. What to do? Nice meeting you guys. I think. Good name. Really? Cool.
They share the names.
I think
And अभी क्या होता है?
check with him.
तो अभी क्या सीन होता है, he just removes his phone and he needs an excuse, right? कि यार मेरे को नंबर चाहिए. So he just removes his phone and okay, I need to check out on my friend. तो वो phone निकालता है and then he tries to call me, that kind of thing. And उसके बाद ये white वाली का he takes the number and later they decide कि चलो we are going to meet up. They already set up the date कि कल हम मिलेंगे इस टाइम पे. So guys, ये group set था. Hope you enjoyed this video and like I said, group set का complexity थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहता है. And the main takeaway from यहाँ पे क्या है कि you always need to engage जितने भी लोग हैं. Okay, you just can't talk with one person. तुमको engage करना पड़ेगा सब लोगों को, ठीक है? And have a chill vibe about you. यहाँ पे lines काम नहीं करती. It's all about your vibe. तुम जाके personality display करो, you're a chill guy and you're already part of the group. जब ये तुम display करोगे, everyone are like feminine, bubbly, okay? And awkward pauses, silences आएगी, be with it. आराम से रहो. You don't have to be like constantly have to need कि चलो मैं कुछ तो बोल दो कि वो हंसते, नो, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट इनसिक्योर पीपल डू, राइट? तो ये ग्रुप सेट था. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you took a lot away from it. And again, my name is Preetham and I will see you in the next one.